guys, welcome back to my channel. And so you might see we're somewhere different than usual. Today we're actually going to be swinging on a rope, and that some other people put up. It's amazing fun, as you're going to see us have some awesome fun. But yeah, it's completely safe. It's like on a metal beam on a bridge.
Yeah.
And yeah, this is going to be the first video of my new series I'm starting, called Adventuring Nature. We're going to be doing way more things outside. Like, this isn't nature, this is kind of technically man-made. But yeah, we're going to be doing things outside, cool things. We will be safe. But yeah, also you can see I got a haircut. Got my new Easter thing that I got from the
Happy Easter, by the way.
Easter Bunny.
Yeah.
Yep. All right. But sorry. Oh my gosh. I apologize. But yeah, let's get right into the swinging, and see you at the end. Oh yeah. Okay. You almost fell. Do it again.
Two more?
No, just one more.
So I can go. I'm gonna go.
That was Matt. All right. This is Ashton. He's gonna go swinging now. He's the next one swinging. Oh yeah. Kick those legs out, boy. Ladies walking up to the steps. Oh yeah, baby.
Ladies are the best!
Woo! Come on, get harnessed up. Just go, just go. Yours is the longest segment of them all. Just whee!
This is Daniel!
Let's do this. As you can see, this is completely safe. Like, look at this. This is a beam, completely safe. All right, guys. You saw us swinging. That was the first video. Of course, I explained it all in the intro. And please like, subscribe, and have a nice day. Have a good Easter, and see you in the next. See you in the next. Yeah. Hit the notification bell when you subscribe, and see you in the next video.
Bye.